Hi everyone, a warm welcome from Jupical Technologies Private Limited. My name is Anil and I am going to take this training of Odoo that we have conducted on August, and I am having experience of 9+ years that I have worked with Odoo for many different business vertical, where I have learned so many things on different business vertical. What are the key things that we need to take care while we are writing the code? So this training will be very beneficial for the freshers, those who has the basic knowledge of Python, and those people who are already working in Odoo since last 2 years, and they want to learn something fundamentally they might be missing. And we already have shared the course content where they can see and what are the topics they are wants to learn. They can also register themselves, and those people who has more than 2 years of experience, they can also register for this training. So if they are interested and they're willing to learn all these topics which they already know, but they want to know fundamentally with the proper detailed way, and to with the important tricks and tips. Okay, so let me take you to the website where you can register yourself, because many people already registered, and I also want to share those people which does not has an idea how to register themselves. So you just need to go to our website and go to event page. As we have, this is our very first public event, so once you will go to event page, you will see there will be one event, and you can see there is a link of course content where we have shared all these topics that we are going to cover under this training. Okay, so please check out this course content and let us know if you guys have any suggestion or idea if something is missing on this training. And this training is purely backend training. Right now we are not including any JavaScript or website part, but that might be covered in the next upcoming trainings, as many of the people, those who already working in Odoo, they already have the knowledge of this thing, that there are 3 sections in Odoo. One is Odoo backend, web and website. So for now, this is to start working with Odoo, we must need to learn what is the core architecture of Odoo, how you can develop a basic module with standard views and modeling structure and ORM functions with reports, PDF, XLS. Everything will be covered in this training that can build a very good applications. So after completion of this training, you will be confident and you will be able to make some a creative application with your own ideas. Alright, so please like, subscribe this video, and please share in your group, so those are your friends and colleagues who might interested in this training, they can take the benefit of this training. And we are going to start this training from 1st of August till 31st of August, and all the course content and dates are shared with the course content. And do let us know if you guys have any query or question. You can send us to hello@jupical email address or in our website page. Alright, so see you in the training. Till then, have a nice time. Bye bye, take care.